Hi everyone, my name is Emily Wilks. I'm graduating this semester with an MBA and a concentration in strategic management and policy, and I know what all of you are thinking. This is not exactly how we anticipated celebrating our graduation spring 2020, but here we are, and it's an honor and a pleasure to be celebrating with you today. So here is to each of us finishing our degree plans, to all of the nights that we stayed in studying, and to all of the nights that we didn't stay in studying, along with all the lessons we learned along the way. Now, during my experience at UNM, I've learned a lot about myself. I've learned that I have seasonal allergies, thank you UNM for being a gorgeous arboretum, that engaging in town halls and speaking your beliefs is critical, that there's nothing an organized planner can't get you through, and that it's important to hold people accountable in order to enact change. I've learned that I am far more capable than I ever imagined, and I've also learned that group projects don't get better in graduate school. Yeah, me too. Now, for my fellow graduates, I have a challenge for you. And know that this challenge comes from the heart of a young woman who loves self-reflection and also loves making lists. I want you to take a few minutes when you're done celebrating your graduation to reflect on your time spent at UNM. I want you to write down 3 challenges, things you didn't think you were going to get through, and 3 things that you learned about yourself along the way. Now, I want you to make this list, and I want you to keep this list, and I want you to pull this list out whenever you need that little bit of extra motivation to remind yourself that you did it and that you've got this. I sincerely believe that there's something about being a Lobo that makes us more resilient than the rest. These are the best and the worst years of our lives, but they are transformative and so critical for reflection, so please do so. Now, I've got a whole lot of nostalgia coming along with graduating UNM and moving on to my next chapter in life, but I want to wish each and every one of you the best of luck. I know that you've got this. Remind yourself that UNM, your friends and family are so proud of you. We did this. Congratulations to the class of 2020, and go Lobos.